Manjushiri, Kumaraya, Utaya, Bodhisattvaya, Mahasattvaya, Karunikaya, Tatyatha, Om, Aradze, Viradze, Shudhe, Sadaya, Vishudaya, Amale, Nimale, Nirmale, Zayavare, Rudu, Sale, Hung, He, Swaha, Amarapata, Nati, I'll speak in English. Just few words. Your aim, the goal for your education should not be to get a job. Maybe that is how it is designed, but nevertheless, I don't think this is your goal. Because if you do that, I think you will end up becoming a slave. So, the aim of the education, learning, should be not even to be happy, by the way. Happiness is not that important, because what makes you happy today will not make you happy tomorrow. It changes all the time. So, goal for the education should be, I think, to be confident. To be confident. So confidence can be very individual. What makes you confident will not make you confident. But I think going to the school, you meet a lot of people, you interact with a lot of people, you read books, you listen, you become unbiased, you try to stay out of the box, sometimes go inside the box, but anyway, you should aim for becoming confident. Then, world is in your hand. That's it.